Hey everyone, welcome to today's edition of Is It Taxable? My name is Nate and I'm your host, and today we're going to talk about South Carolina. Specifically, we're going to talk about SaaS or software as a service sales in South Carolina. The answer is yes, it is taxable. Software sales, if they're accessed through a website or through the cloud, are taxable and considered a taxable service in the state. The statewide tax rate is 6%, and on average, local and state combined rate is 7.5%, although rates could be as high as 9% in areas like Charleston, where I am filming this video from. In South Carolina, you must collect and remit sales tax if you have nexus. That can be achieved in two different ways, either physical nexus, having an employee, an office, or physical presence in the state, or through economic nexus, which in South Carolina means $100,000 in sales to customers in the state in the last year. Now, South Carolina isn't the only state that taxes software. In fact, there are 26 other states that tax software as a service, and a growing number of states are implementing new tax laws to tax software and cloud-based products. Namely, for example, Vermont last year just passed new legislation to tax SaaS, as well as Louisiana. And it's something that more and more states are thinking about. And so if you're already selling in South Carolina, the first thing you'll want to do is check to see if you do have Nexus. And if you do, the next thing you'll want to do is register with the South Carolina Department of Revenue for a sales tax permit. And then from there, make your filings and remit the taxes that you collect. For SaaS companies that are billing through platforms like Stripe, you can use Stripe's tax engine, but you could also use Numeral's tax engine to generate those rates. But if you're generating invoices outside of Stripe, you could use a tax engine like Numeral to populate those rates. And I should also mention that Numeral will handle registrations in states like South Carolina, as well as the ongoing compliance, for example, filing, remittance, product classification, and keep you in compliance. And so that was today's edition of Is It Taxable? And the answer was yes. In South Carolina, SaaS is taxable.